Welcome to another episode of Pursuing Travel with the Millers Food Travel. The Caribbean is full of many different nations with a wide variety of cultures and peoples. Each island is unique and different in their own way. We've traveled to quite a few of the countries in the region. One type of cooking that is spread throughout the Caribbean is jerk-style cooking. It originated in Jamaica and actually started with the indigenous peoples called the Tainos and was passed to freed slaves called the Jamaican Maroons. It is a type of meat dish rubbed with spices like allspice, peppers, salt, garlic, and many others. Each island does it a little bit different, and it can vary by each different cook. We have tried it all over the region, and some can be very spicy, and others are flavorful, sweet. It all depends. You can find it in sit-down restaurants or small jerk grills along the sides of the roads like we found in Jamaica and Belize. It's not just jerk chicken, but you also can find jerk pork, fish, and jerk buffalo wings. Common sides with the dish are rice and peas, that's spiced rice with kidney beans or peas that vary throughout the region, fried plantains, greens, and sometimes grilled corn. You can also find this type of cooking throughout the U.S. at restaurants like our personal favorite, Lucian's in the Clear Lake, Texas. Thanks for watching. Visit our website and subscribe.